Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Light chicken parmesan. This take on the comfort food classic swaps in part skim mozzarella and fresh tomatoes for a dish that won't leave you in a total food coma afterwards. Eat this recipe when you're craving chicken parmesan at lunchtime. It's not heavy, so it'll keep you awake and satisfied. Ingredients: 1/4 c. Italian-style breadcrumbs, 1/4 c. Grated Parmesan, 4 thin sliced chicken breast cutlets, about 1 pound, 1 pint. Grape tomatoes, non-stick cooking spray, 2 ounces part skim mozzarella, 5 ounces arugula, 1 tablespoon. Red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Extra virgin olive oil. Foil-lined baking sheet. Directions: 1. Heat oven to 425 F. 2. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup Italian-style breadcrumbs with 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. 3. Cut 1 pint of grape tomatoes in half. Set aside. 4. Arrange 4 thin sliced chicken breast cutlets on a foil-lined baking sheet. 5. Sprinkle the chicken with 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then, top chicken with crumb mixture and press to adhere. 6. Arrange half tomatoes around chicken. Spray everything with non-stick cooking spray. 7. Transfer baking sheet to oven and bake until chicken is cooked and breadcrumbs are golden, about 15 minutes. 8. While chicken cooks, shred 2 ounces part skim mozzarella. 9. Remove baking sheet from oven. Use tongs to transfer cooked tomatoes to a medium mixing bowl. Sprinkle chicken with shredded mozzarella and return to oven. Bake until cheese melts, about 5 minutes. 10. Meanwhile, toss tomatoes with 5 ounces arugula, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.